Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Now go ahead and navigate your way to search bar on the search icon on your screen. Now go ahead and type in leonardo.ai. Once you do that, it's gonna suggest you a bunch of options. Select Leonardo AI image generator from your screen. Now right beside the icon, you're gonna see one of these four options: download, install, git, or backup. Go ahead and tap on one of those options and your phone will start downloading Leonardo AI. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.